Are home prices going up or down? Well, that's a tricky question to answer. The media loves to talk about home prices, but it can be pretty confusing, right? Let me break it down for you in simple terms. When it comes to comparing home prices over time, there are two methods: year over year and month over month. Year over year is all about looking at the change in home prices from the same month or quarter in the previous year. For example, if we're talking about April 2023, we compare it to April 2022. Year over year comparisons give us a broader view of long-term trends. They're useful for seeing if the market is generally going up or down over the course of a year. On the other hand, month over month looks at the change in home prices from one month to the next. Duh. So if we're looking at April 2023, we compare it to March 2023. Month over month comparisons give us a more immediate snapshot of short-term movements in the market. They help us track changes in demand and supply, seasonal trends, and the impact of specific events on the housing market. The difference between year over year and month over month comparisons is the time frame being assessed. Each approach has its own merits and serves different purposes depending on what we're trying to analyze. Now, why is this distinction so important right now? Well, here's the thing. We might see some months in the coming period where home prices are lower than they were during the same months last year. Well, look at the graph behind me. Comparing last year's. In 2022, April, May, and June were fantastic months for home prices, but this year, those same months might not be as impressive. So when we compare year over year, it might seem like home values are depreciating. The headlines will probably say that too, but don't panic just yet. Look at the graph behind me. If we take a closer look at the month over month home prices, we can see that prices have actually been going up for the past few months. These numbers give us a better picture of what's really happening. After a period of depreciation, it looks like we've hit the bottom and are bouncing back. So here's why this matters to you. When you hear those negative headlines about home prices falling, remember that they may not be telling the whole story. We're comparing prices to last year's record peak, which might make the year-over-year comparison look gloomy. But if we focus on the more immediate month-over-month trends, we see that home prices are actually on the rise again. That means there's an advantage to buying a home right now. You can get it at a discount compared to last year's prices, and you'll be ahead of the curve as prices start to pick up even more momentum. It's like buying at the bottom, and that's a good thing for buyers like you. So if you have any questions about what's really going on with home prices, or if you're ready to make a move before prices climb higher, let's connect. I'm here to help you navigate the market and find the perfect home for you. Let's connect. Dia Irby, your favorite realtor, by your side all the way.